Hello kids! Good morning! How are you today? Good? I hope so. So now let's sing our hello song. Come on! Hello children, how are you? Hello children, how are you? Hello children, how are you? How are you today? Now sing for me, okay? Hello Miss Priscilla, how are you? Hello Miss Priscilla, how are you? Hello Miss Priscilla, how are you? How are you today? I am fine. I am good. Now, boys and girls, let's check the weather. Looking outside. What's the weather? What's the weather like today? Like today? Look outside the window. Look outside the window. Can you say? Can you say? Can you say? What's the weather like today? Is today windy? Is today rainy? Maybe today is sunny. Or today is cloudy. How is the weather today? Whoa, today is a sunny day. Yes, let's say sunny. Excellent, very good. And for this experiment, we are going to observe what of those ingredients are going to make a loud noise and a quiet noise. Alright? So I have here beans, cornmeal, rice, and flour. So I'm going to put them inside this container. Let's check the beans. Is it loud or quiet? Loud or quiet? Whoa, this is loud, right? Very loud. So beans make a loud noise. Let's check now the cornmeal. So here, boys and girls, I have the cornmeal. Let's check. Wow, what do you think? Is it loud or quiet? This noise is very quiet, right? A quiet noise. Now I put the rice. Let's check the noise it makes. Is it loud or quiet? It makes a loud noise. Yeah? Loud noise. Alright, so the rice makes loud noise. Let's check the flour now. So now let's check the flour. Does it make noise? No, it is very quiet, right? The noise is very quiet. We cannot hear it. So, what do we check today? That the flour and the corn, they make a very quiet noise, and the rice and beans make loud noise, loud. That was nice. Did you like it? So try other ingredients in your house, okay? Bye bye, boys and girls.